Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are Team Drive from SAK Pendeta Za'Ba. We consist of 4 participants, namely Mikael Andika bin Khairul Nizam, Muhammad Izwan bin Abdul Qayyum, Ahmad Najmi bin Ja'far, Muhammad Fariz Zarul Firdaus bin Afendi as the team members. The product we propose is named hydrophobic paper. Annually, schools conduct sports day and cross-country runs. The numbers to identify the athletes are either printed on paper and thrown away or printed on canvas polymer that is not biodegradable. Such materials either take up a high cost or time to produce. Plus, it cannot be kept for a long term, not to mention the environmental effect. Preferably, a material that is durable and sustainable be developed to replace the canvas material. Currently, waterproof paper is produced by coating paper with wax or any hydrophobic chemical. However, this kind of paper is not entirely durable. The hydrophobic paper solution combines paper with a layer of plastic coating. The plastic layer can be obtained by dissolving PET polymer bottles with organic solvents. Hence, once a piece of paper has been printed on the waterproof layer produced can be applied on it and dried. This will make the paper not only resistant to water but also stronger. Therefore, the hydrophobic paper design is more durable to be used for a long term. The material used to make hydrophobic paper is paper and plastic that is obtained from the school recycle program, which make it a total free. The chemical we are planning will cost an estimate 15 ringgit. Total of 50 ringgit is needed to produce a prototype product.